Today, we are going to look at alkanes in chemistry. What is alkane? Alkane is a saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. Is the saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon with the molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. We've talked about this in one of our last video. All right. Then alkane possess single covalent carbon bond. That is, alkane possess single covalent carbon bond. Okay, that is, the bond between all the carbon atoms in alkane are single bonded. All right, and that bond is known as a covalent bond. Okay, then alkane is sp3 hybridized. Alkane is sp3 hybridized with the bonding angle 109.5 degree Celsius between hydrogen atoms and the central carbon atom. With equal bond length. Okay, so these are the terms we use to describe alkane, which is one of the homologous series of the organic compound. Okay, now let's look at different examples of alkane with respective number of carbon atoms. Okay, we are going to look at the nomenclature of group of compound that belongs to alkane family with respect to their boiling points. Okay, we're going to look at different alkanes, its structural formula, and its state of matters. Okay, here we have alkane, structural formula, and its physical states. Here we have number of carbon atom. Alkane with one carbon atom is known as methane. Alkane with one carbon atom is known as methane. Structural formula is CH4. Okay? CH4. Physical state is gas. Okay? Alkane with two carbon atoms is ethane. Ethane with two carbon atoms. I have to draw a line to separate this. Two carbon atom is ethane. With the chemical formula C2H6. Then it is gaseous in the physical state. Alkane with three carbon atoms. This is propane. Propane is C3H8. Okay? C3H8. The physical state is gaseous. Then alkane with four carbon atoms. This is butane. Here we have C4H10. The physical state is gaseous. Okay? Alkane with carbon number 1 to carbon 4 are gases. That's the physical state, is gases. Then alkane with carbon number 5 to carbon number 16 are liquid at room temperature, and that becomes their physical state. Then alkane with 17 to 20, that is above, not just 20, above are solid. Some tests will describe it as amorphous solid, and that is the physical state at room temperature. Okay? Now, these ones here, methane, ethane, propane, and butane are named by their trivial names. Okay? While from carbon number 5 down are named based on their number of carbons. Okay? Based on the Latin name for the number of carbon. Alkane with 5 carbon atoms. Alkane with 5 carbon atoms alkane with 5 carbon atoms is known as pentane. Pent means 5. This is C5H12, and this is liquid. 6 carbon atom hexane, C6H14, and is liquid. 7 carbon atom is heptane, C7H16, and that is liquid in their physical state. 8 carbon atom is octane, C8H18, and that is liquid in its physical state. 9 carbon atom, that is nonane, C9H20, and that is liquid in its physical state. 10 carbon atom is decay, C10H22, and that is liquid in its physical state. Now, 11 carbon atom, that is on decay, C11H24, and that is liquid in its physical state. 12 carbon atom, I will stop here because of space, but I will complete the name at the other side, is dodecane, that is C12H26, and that is liquid in its physical state. 13 carbon atom, alkanes with 13 carbon atom are known as tridecane. 14 carbon atom are known as tetradecane. 15, 16 is known as, 15 is pentadecane. 16 is hexadecane, and all of them are liquid in their physical states. 17, 18, 19, 20. Let me stop here in 20. 17 is heptadecane. 18 is octadecane. 19 is nondecane. 20 is icosane, and all of them are solid at room temperature. Okay, this is the name, their name from carbon 1 to carbon 20. Okay, carbon 1 to 4 are gases. Carbon 5, which is pentane, to 16, which is hexadecane, are liquid at room temperature. Then carbon 17 to 20 are solid at room temperature. That is from heptadecane to icosane, which is the 20 carbon atom of alkane family. Now, I want you to understand that if we are looking at the properties of alkane, one of the properties is the boiling point, and we are going to look at that in the next video. Okay, for the alkane, as the number of carbon atom is increasing, there is corresponding increase in the covalent bond. There is corresponding increase in the covalent bond between carbon and van der Waals forces. There is corresponding increase in covalent bond and van der Waals forces as the number of carbon atoms increases. All right, and such will result to an increase in the boiling point, in the melting point, and in the molecular density. Okay, there is increase in boiling point, increase in melting point, increase in molecular density as the number of carbon atoms is increasing because of increase in the covalent bond and van der Waals forces, which arises as the number of carbon atoms in the organic compound increases. Okay, please, we are going to stop here for now. In the next video, we are going to look at properties of alkanes. Okay, thank you and God bless you. If this video helped you a lot, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please stay tuned for the next video. We are going to look at properties of alkanes and some other things we need to know about the alkanes. Okay, how alkanes is prepared. All right, we're going to talk about the properties of alkanes and the preparations, how alkanes are prepared, industrial preparation of alkanes, and laboratory preparation of alkanes. Thank you, and God bless you.